You might be aware of ClickFunnels, Kartra, GrooveFunnels, and a lot of these funnel builders. If you are a digital marketer, you will never be able to progress without having a funnel. Irrespective of what traffic source you use, you will definitely need a funnel. ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, and Kartra are all very excellent tools, but the problem with most of these tools are it's too expensive. Also, ClickFunnels doesn't have its own email marketing system. You will need a separate email marketing tool and you will have to integrate it with ClickFunnels. So all these steps are going to cost you at least $150 per month. There is no guarantee if your money would ever come back. Therefore, a lot of beginners lose hope after trying tools like these. This is where expert automation system comes into picture. Now with this system you will be able to generate pre-sale page, thank you page, professional sales page and email marketing follow-up. The entire system is fully hosted and activated instantly and it requires no technical skills. Also there is no need of installing the software into your computer. So if you are an affiliate marketer, you can use this system to copy paste your affiliate link and generate an entire funnel. If you want to try this system at a discount, then you will definitely find a limited period discount link in the description of this video. This system helps you save the time and effort required in designing, assembling the funnel. It also helps you save a lot of money which goes in experimenting different landing pages, hosting plans and email responders. A lot of professional tools like ClickFunnels, Kartra or Aweber are too expensive and they do not have a lot of features that this system has. Today we will be discussing some of these features in brief. Apart from the built-in high profit sales funnel, you will also be getting ready-made one-click promo tools. Now these tools include pre-written swipes and ad copies. You will also be getting social media posts, banners, graphics, and a lot of other promotional materials. You can instantly insert your link into all of these tools in one click. Then you can simply just copy paste those customized tools and use them in your promotions. You will also be given access to an easy to follow guide where you will discover the top traffic methods and ad sources where you can promote your funnel. These traffic methods go hand in hand with the promotional tools and are suitable for a wide range of advertising budgets. So if you have money to spend on traffic, you will learn paid methods. But if you don't have money to spend on traffic, you will learn free methods. You will learn several free methods that can boost your traffic for practically zero cost. You will be given access to exclusive VIP members area where you can access the promotional tools, training videos and everything on the same dashboard. With the same email ID and password, you will be able to access the promotional tools and training videos like I mentioned before. There is no need to repeatedly use multiple accounts for multiple reasons. So if you want to claim your VIP pass, then do check the link in the description below. You will be automatically upgraded to the VIP status, which includes both the one-click software and the sales system. You can get access to the VIP members area at one-time payment of $9.95. This system is much cheaper as compared to products like ClickFunnels, which cost you at least $100 a month. You also receive unlimited priority support through their customer support desk. There is also an option to join this product as an affiliate. Now products like ClickFunnels are already saturated and they do not fit everyone's budget. But the expert automation system is not only a new product, but it is also a product that is affordable to all. If you purchase expert automation system today, you get automatic approval for the affiliate program that is built in the system. You just need to log in to get started. For a very limited period, the export automation system is now available for such a low price. Once there is a surge in demand, this product will be too expensive to buy. Check the link in the description below and get VIP access to the exclusive members area. Thank you very much and hope you have a great day.